welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking down all of the Halloween decorations. I'm so over it. It's November 1st, but I've been ready to take it down for a while. That's the downside of decorating so early, but I have a few people still sleeping in my house, which is why I'm talking quietly. So I made a to-do list. I'm going to take down all of the Halloween decor. I need to update my calendar that sits in the kitchen. I have a big chalkboard calendar right there. So I need to update that for November. I'm just gonna dust and kind of vacuum the main areas of where I'm taking down all the decorations, and then I have some meal prep to do. So first I'm going to make myself a coffee, and then let's do it.
I'm starting to realize I didn't know what you had inside. Every time we tried, I let you down. If I could say just one more thing, I'd tell you that I didn't mean everything I said. It wasn't meant to be hurt by you.
So I'm just taking all of the decorations down and I'm putting them in storage bins, which we keep in the attic. We have a section of our attic that we just have all of the tubs, and we have everything labeled: Halloween decorations, 4th of July, summer, so on and so forth. So as I am taking everything down, I'm just giving everything a good wipe down, and also going to just vacuum the main floor. The mantle and the mirror in my dining room were the longest projects, because all of that cobweb decorations get into everything. So everything that was on the mantle, all of the bricks, everything, it was stuck to everything. It was just kind of a pain in the neck, but it looks good, so we'll go with it.
Just say, if I could just say, I wanna be what you need, what you want, you're everything. You set me free, I believe we can go do anything. If I could just say, if I could just say,
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak. Feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me. See something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key. Have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me, and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Baby, you could keep me happy, but you've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated, I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with the house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, cause in another world you'll come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind. Drive your windows down with your head in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, when I'm dreaming of you here with me. Out of sight, out of mind. Drive your windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, when I dream I'm never lonely. Out of sight, out of mind. Drive your windows down with your head in mine. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of sight, out of mind. Out of mind.
It's the time to unlearn all those barriers. They all fall down now. There's nothing in the way when they say take it slow. A knowing smile starts to grow. Our moons have moved the seas. I have.
So on this day, it was November 1st, so I am just taking down the October calendar that we have hanging in the kitchen, and I am going to update it to November. I love this calendar. I got it off of Amazon, and it really helps keep me and my family organized. Everyone can kind of look up there, important paperwork. It comes with little magnets we hang up there, or anything like that. It's kind of the kids' artwork, because we don't put anything on the fridge, so the kids like to hang their artwork on there. So it's really good, because I have 3 kids in 3 different schools with 3 different schedules. So this has really helped us, and I love the way it looks. It looks really pretty, and it's so functional. So I feel like it's the best of both worlds.
Wind of wings, and we are born with the right to live this life. Our heads held high, we're singing from the skies. I have no fear left, I'm fearless. Watch me go.
I'm just going to do a little ingredient prep. I marinated this chicken earlier in the day and let it just sit in the fridge, and sometimes I grilled the chicken and sometimes it was just too cold to be going back and forth out to the grill, to be honest with you. So I just did it on a pan, and then I'm just going to dice up some potatoes and some sweet potatoes and steam some broccoli, and I like to just have all 3 of those things in the fridge. Sometimes I just put the chicken on my salad, other times I just want to have some roasted veggies, or I make something else so I have the roasted veggies ready to go. So here obviously giving my children a million snacks. So I'm just going to peel the potatoes, chop those up, and roast those, and that is it. Super easy, not any in-depth meal prep or anything, but just something that you can, have in the fridge, and it's versatile. You don't have to have everything lumped together. I do like the ingredient prep more than combining everything and putting it all together.
We were wrong.
You're lucky you're getting a discount.
Exactly. He's probably, like you said, probably around like 140.
I think so. Understandably so. That's kind of how, is that like his main income?
No, he's a teacher.
Oh, that's right.
But he used to be a vice principal of a school. He's like a very high up there teacher. He helps like write the curriculums and all that kind of stuff. He does all that.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah.
But he enjoys what he's doing too. That's why teaching is probably what he is too.
Yeah. Well, he does everything.
You're a principal, you don't have to teach as much as you do as...
No, he's a teacher now.
She's like, just make up, you're gonna go be a teacher.
Yep.
Say you wanna be somebody, sick of being told what to do. Say you gotta wait out. We could buy a big house for two. We could be on the news. Starless and see through the haze. My hand is shades, we're far from grace. Take me on a little
now I am just going to kind of fill up some things that we ran out of. I use our downstairs fridge as like our overstock. I had gone to BJ's the week before, so these were just some things that we weren't ready to use yet, but we did need from BJ's because they were at the best price, like eggs, yogurt, all things like that. So I'm just going to refill all of those items, and then we are done with meal prep. Guys, that is it for today's video. It was pretty much an all-day video. I did have a break in the middle. My parents and my sister came over for a little bit to celebrate my birthday. It was like 2 weeks ago, so I was able to catch up with them a little bit, so I had to do some more cleaning up, and then I was able to do my meal prep. So I hope you guys like this video. It was kind of like a get it all done. We got all of the Halloween decor done and away, and it just feels so much more open and not so cluttered, because I do like a minimal-ish type of decor. I don't like a ton of stuff everywhere, but it was so fun to decorate, and the kids loved all the Halloween decor, and we're gonna go hard for Christmas as well. So, but I do like the nice little maybe 2-week break that I get in between, just to have the very simple decor. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you are subscribed and have your little notification bell on to be alerted when I upload new videos. I have a ton of awesome holiday content coming for you guys, so make sure you are subscribed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.